Early 1980s, our community rushed to Kajulu forest and they did cut down all the trees. This was because there was a booming timber industry in Kisumu town back then, and also the need for charcoal as an energy source. Kajulu forest had a lot of springs coming from it. All these springs disappeared, and then there came also water challenges. In the year 2009, I was able to mobilize community members, fellow youths, and we went and talked and decided that we need to change the cycle. In the year 2022, we started a journey of working together with the USAID family. They took us through training. During this training, we were able to come up with the vision of the Kajulu ecosystem that we want.
Saa hizi vile nimepata hii maji hapa inanisaidia kufua, kuosha vyombo, kupiga deki, na watoto pia wanaoga, tunakunywa, kupika, watu wanasherekea.
I am happy that I can now enjoy clean and quality water, and my wife does not have to go to the river to strain to get the water from the river. We're enjoying it right at our doorstep. I'm Benedict Emmanuel Adero. I am a restoration champion.